Nico at Ninya, always remember, marriages, ika nga ng isang kasabihan, are made in heaven. Pag sinabing ganyan, ang ibig sabihin nun, ang makagagawa lang ng kasal ay ang Diyos, hindi ang tao. Ang tao, patutunayan lang niya kung ano ang ginawa ng Diyos. Ibig sabihin, if marriages are made in heaven, such grace is a great gift para sa dalawang taong nagmamahalan katulad mo, Nico at Ninya. Ana Ninya, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Nico na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakalob mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang asawa?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso mo ba siyang tinatanggap bilang may bahay?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakalob mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso mo ba siyang tinatanggap bilang asawa?
Opo, Father.
My love, I give you this ring as a symbol of my vow. Wear it with love and joy. You are mine by choice. I choose you to be my wife from this day forward. I promise you my faithfulness and obedience. Life might be hard, but I will always stay by your side.
Hi, love. This is it. Congratulations to us because we made it this far. Today, as I say my vow, I reflect on the journey that brought us together. Our path hasn't always been easy, but every challenge has deepened my love for you. I promise to always be here for you every step of the way, to celebrate your successes and to comfort you in difficult times.
And now, the moment that we've all been waiting for. Let us wave our table napkins on the air as we welcome for the very first time as husband and wife. Let's show some love for the couple of tonight, Mr. and Mrs. Nico and Ninya Diary!
Wala, chita pa. Di ba, gaming damit. What I feel right now, maybe I am very happy and excited, of course, because finally, after a long wait, eto na. This is it. Wala na talagang atrasan. And yun, super happy.
Kinakabahan, excited. Hindi ko masyadong explain kung ano yung nararamdaman ko ngayon, pero ang alam ko lang, masaya ako at nandito na kami. Ito na yung araw na pinakahihintay namin dalawa. Matagal na preparation din ang ginawa namin. Ito na yung araw na pinakahihintay namin para magsama kami at bumuo ng pamilya.
Of course, Nico used to be my crush when I was in elementary. So, kung babalik man ako sa nakaraan, of course, siya pa din talaga.
Ang moment na nakita ko siya is napaka-blessed ng araw na yun. Kasi yun na pala yung time na magtatagpo kami dalawa at hanggang huli, kami din pala talaga. Kahit paulit-ulit kaming bumalik sa nakaraan, siya pa rin ang pipiliin ko.
And I'll be your crying shoulder. I'll be love's
My love, thank you sa lahat ng ginawa mo at ginagawa mo para sa akin. Super grateful ko kasi lagi kang nandyan para sa akin. And napakahaba ng pasensya mo. So I promise na lahat ng ginagawa mo para sa akin ay marireciprocate yan. Especially now na kasal na tayo at asawa na kita. Yun lang. I love you so much.
There is no perfect marriage, remember Ninya and Nico, unless you make it perfect. Pag ganyan ang attitude nyo, madali nyong tayuan ang sinisimulan ninyo ngayong pagsasama ng mag-asawa.
You inspire me to be my best self, and I vow to always encourage you to achieve your dreams and passions. Together, we will create a home filled with laughter, understanding, and kindness. I choose you today and every day, and I am excited for all the adventures that lie ahead. You are my greatest joy, my partner, and my love, now and forever.
And I'll be your crying shoulder. I'll be love's suicide. And I'll be better when I'm older. I'll be the greatest friend of your life.
For better or worse, in sickness and health, for richer or poorer. Whenever you are weak, I will be your strength. I promise to love you, to support you, and to respect you every single day. I vow to make Jesus Christ the center of our love and to be a good husband and father.
Mananatiling ikaw ang lalaki, Nico. Mananatiling ikaw ang babae, Ninya. Pero kung anuman ang pagkukulang ni Nico, ikaw ang katuwang niyang magpupuno nito. Kung anuman ang mga kamalian o kalabisan ni Ninya Nico, ikaw ang katuwang niya. Ikaw ang asawa niyang kasama abang buhay na mag-aayos ng mga ito. Dahil ang minsan ay magpakailanman. Minsan lang, dahil ang pag-ibig nyo, gawin yung forever, pang magpakailanman. God bless you.